ButterBeanz, I'm going to show you today how I made a Halloween candy apple. So, I took some Halloween candy and I put it in here and I melted it. And then I put it in here. Well, I put water on it first. And then I put it in here. And then I spit on. And then I spit. I put this through too before I did this, and I put it on sprinkles.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Hi. So I can make my own candy apple with this, the chopsticks to hold it up, and some sprinkles, and an apple, of course, and a bowl to melt this chocolate in.
That you saved up from Halloween.
I saved up for Halloween and like Easter, I think. I don't know. Maybe it's got the extra Easter. And so let's get started.
And we have a special guest.
Grandma.
I can't.
Let's get started by
Okay.
doing a stick of ButterBeanz Butterfingers.
Ooh. So you want to pick whatever candy, right?
Yeah.
And you want to make sure that it goes good together, right? Like you wouldn't want peppermint candy and then melt it with a Butterfinger. That would be kind of, I don't know.
I love peppermint candy.
Okay.
I have Twix.
Okay, that looks, yeah, I think chocolatey and,
Hold on, I need some scissors.
okay.
Just some scissors.
And if you're under the age of
What's under?
being careful, I suggest you have your mommy do this part.
What part? Oh, here's a tiny Twix. Tiny. I got the chocolates in, and this one's like, I was thinking you guys maybe will see if this one's peppermint, but it's not. It's like Rice Krispie chocolate.
That'll
Like
go
chocolate,
good on an apple.
that Rice Krispie. The chocolate is over the Rice Krispies.
Okay. So now what's the next step?
Well, we have to melt this up.
Okay. And you want to have your mommy do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get my mommy to do it. We went ahead and we got this. We melted our Halloween candy, and first you always want to, before you melt it, you always want to put water in first, but not too much. So let's get started.
Okay, and what are you doing right now?
I'm mixing it.
Breaking up all the caramel and the
Yeah.
cookies?
We're breaking up all the caramel cookies.
Okay. And you want to put water in so that it doesn't burn, right?
Yeah, we want to put water in.
But
so
not
it doesn't
too
burn.
much.
Oops. And stuck.
Okay, what's the next step?
Stuck.
Next step.
I can't do this.
It's okay. Just leave the spoon. Just leave it. Thank you, assistant. Special guest.
Okay. My grandma's helping me. Okay, my grandma helped me.
Okay.
Now let's let's get chopsticks. I put them in there just for fun.
Okay.
And let's break. How do we even do this?
Break it. Just pull it apart.
That was my favorite part that I do. We're gonna
Pull.
can't do this.
Oh well.
That's
It'll
fine.
still work.
Okay, like this. Okay, now I'm gonna put the apple in. This is hard. Like this. Put
Careful,
this on. My mom helped me, and I'm gonna dip it in
Okay.
like this.
And then you want to make sure you have some wax paper or parchment paper
Yeah.
ready so that when...
And then you can put the sprinkles on.
And you can use the spoon to kind of...
Oh yeah, Grandma has this one again. Thank you. Like this, you always wanna kind of do that. It's okay, it's just a tablecloth. Okay, we always wanna get all over like this. Oops, that's okay. We should use gloves. We should use gloves. Use gloves.
Yeah, you can use gloves if you're afraid of getting dirty.
I'm afraid of getting dirty. just these gloves of your scaredy cat. Just these gloves from like Anya. I'll say they use. Oh, you're a scaredy cat, Anya.
Well, you can
Yeah.
take the spoon and get some chocolate and let it go down the side of the apple. Yeah, like that.
And then now we can spread it.
Okay, you better hold the apple over the.
I am, Grandma.
Well, skid it over.
Okay, so
So before the chocolate gets hard,
please wanna spread it on.
and
Put some sprinkles on.
'cause
Okay.
once it gets all,
Put it down.
Upside down.
well, actually no, you're gonna hold it up. We don't put it down.
Okay.
You hold it up and sprinkle.
Oh, okay. I
So
want
choose your
this.
sprinkles. Whatever ones you want. You want the white ones?
Yeah, and then I can get some more. Is that okay?
Hold it over.
Is that? It's okay. I'm sorry.
Stop being sorry.
Why is it not working?
You're not shaking hard enough. Or here. You need to have it open all the way. See?
Okay.
There you go. Let's try this again. Now turn it on its side. And rotate it.
You mean like this?
Mhm.
I can't do this. It's too heavy.
Here, you want me to hold it?
Yeah. My mom's gonna help me. Now some of these. These are basically almost sugar. See these? They're basically almost sugar. Oops. Well, it's a candy apple anyway. I'm not even messy. Put some.
And what can people put on here if they don't like sprinkles?
Maybe some nuts.
Or, no. Guess whatever you want.
Oh, they don't like chocolate? They can do caramel.
Yeah. You can just get, if you got caramel in your Halloween bag, and then you just want to set it down and make sure you don't have a little baby brother that's gonna come rip it off the table when he wakes up from his nap. Make sure it's towards the center, because they will do that every time, no matter what.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Do you want to thank the people for watching?
Thank you for watching. Bye! Enough you some, Grandma. You too, Mom.
We have to eat it.
Yeah, of course. That's so yummy. You have to try it, Mom. You have to. Try it. I dare you.